What's up guys, it's A here from TechBomb and welcome to another Is It Really Worth It review on my channel. Today I'll be reviewing this 1ByOne Bluetooth keyboard for Android or Windows devices. I'll leave the link for the product down in the description below. Without wasting any more time, let's begin the review. This Bluetooth keyboard comes in a very well packed, simple, slim and sturdy box with a flip up top. Upon opening the box you will uncover your device, which is inside a tight square shaped section that protects the keyboard from moving around too much while packed. The keyboard itself is wrapped in a plastic sleeve which protects it from scratches and visual damage. The contents included are the 1ByOne wireless rechargeable Bluetooth keyboard, USB charging cable and user manual. The Bluetooth keyboard from 1ByOne is a great piece to have if you do a lot of work via your tablet devices. Having this keyboard gives you much more flexibility due to the lightweight and slimline design. This keyboard has wireless technology using Bluetooth 3.0, which is faster than the old type 2.0, so connecting to your device is very simple. Having a QWERTY layout with hotkeys, 1ByOne have decided to keep the style of this keyboard as simple as possible. This has a built-in 500 mAh lithium battery, which is just enough to use the keyboard for up to 90 hours with continuous use. This is due to the keyboard not using a lot of power while in use. The Bluetooth connection allows you to cover up to 10 meters or 33 foot in range, which is not bad at all if you intend to use this with your smart TV or practically any device which is at a slight distance. Having an integrated touchpad is a great function to this keyboard. It's very easy to use and very sensitive to touch, unlike some that fail to read your touch. It has a dedicated button for you to switch between Android devices and Windows devices. I mean, a mouse symbol appears on your Android device when you use it in Android mode. That way you can use your Android device like a laptop, which is fantastic to have if you're lazy or just simply lazy, I guess. Ladies and gentlemen, this 1ByOne wireless Bluetooth keyboard is the first product on my channel that I have actually come across nothing that I disliked. Now, I officially announced this as my first ever tech approved product on my channel. This is a first for me too, where I've reviewed something and I haven't found anything that I disliked. Well done 1ByOne, fantastic product. Well, now that this has become my first ever tech approved product on my channel, I can say to anyone in need of a wireless Bluetooth keyboard for their devices that don't go away from this product. It's one of the best I've actually come across. Under £15 you cannot go wrong with this product. I've reviewed a number of products on my channel and probably some of the products I like more than this product itself, but this has something unique that I actually don't dislike anything, which normally never occurs on my channel. Now that's a massive thing, because I normally am very picky in my products. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So if you guys approve this video, then be sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this one, and maybe check out my other content. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll approve you in my next one.